I'm sure you've heard the news. Ravens are way cooler than you thought. Stick around to find out why. These birds are super smart. They solve puzzles, use tools, and even plan for the future. And just like parrots, ravens can mimic human speech and even other animal sounds. Ever seen a bird play? Ravens love sliding down snowy roofs and playing catch with sticks. Don't mess with them though. They remember faces and hold grudges. They've got memories like elephants. Ravens and wolves, best buddies. Ravens help wolves find prey, and in return they get a share of the feast. Talk about teamwork. Did you know ravens mate for life? They perform aerial acrobatics to impress their partners. So romantic. Ravens are also legendary. They pop up in myths worldwide, symbolizing wisdom and mystery. And their vocabulary? Over 100 different sounds. Ravens are truly fascinating. Want more cool facts? Hit that like button and subscribe.